Hey guys, it's Cameron. Welcome. Uh, Today we are going to do some fun things. And the funnest thing and the most efficient thing that I found for my workflows is using Claude Code for literally everything. No, I'm joking. But does it have efficiencies? Does it have a place as an assistant or a junior dev or somebody to help offload some of those repetitive tasks? Absolutely. One of those things that I have found great efficiencies with lately has been connecting Claude Code to Figma MCP to get accurate designs into the code. And the reason why I like doing this is historically I've been reliant upon basically exporting PDFs, images, the CSS, doing some manual work to be able to give that to Claude Code to better understand a template or a landing page that I've created in Figma. But the MCP allows it to directly pipe into Figma's data, understand it at a very field level, code level, and digest that all to get more accuracy when it's trying to replicate that statically in HTML or React or whatever code stack you choose to do. So let's jump in on how to do that. If you go to code.cloud.com and look for its MCP documents, you will be able to see. Um, let's see if I can bring this to the front. Sorry, we're just kind of winging this as we go. Let's bring this. Um, I don't know if you could see that over me. So if you look over here, it's going to look something like this. What you want to do is you're going to want to find the Figma MCP, create better code with Figma contact. And it's going to give you the command line that you're going to want to do. So what you need to do is go back to your terminal and let me get out of this, exit, and you're going to copy paste that command line to basically install that. Added, it said it added it. So let's initiate Claude, log in, and then do /MCP to see if it's installed. It says, there it is. Let me get this bigger for you. Again, we're just winging it right now. I apologize. We'll get better at this as we make more videos. But you could see it lists your servers. You could see I have Hrefs installed, Kwrds.ai, which I highly recommend. Great team behind that SEO software, and Hostinger, which apparently has failed. We'll fix that later, not a big deal. But again, we added that via the command line. And so we will then go to the authentication screen and we will authenticate it. And so I will move away for a little bit. We're going to do agree and allow access, and it should give you an authentication successful line. And then once that's done, we'll go back to our terminal and it says, okay, authentication successful. What Figma designs can you see? And in my Figma, I have a lot. Let me try to bring this to the front so you could see. Sorry about that. Just hold on. There we go. So you could see I have a whole bunch of designs here for landing pages, hamburger menus, stuff for WordPress. I have a whole bunch of community designs that are free to use. And I would just encourage everyone to just use this as a playground and find what works for you. But let's go ahead and move this to, I need to just make a scene in OBS to kind of flip back and forth between the windows and what have you. But for now, we're just winging it. Okay, so in the terminal, you're going to authorize it to be able to access the Figma designs, and it's going to check all this out. It took less than 10 minutes to set this up, and it will save you time. The beautiful thing about um, these tools is it accelerates our work processes, so we could get exactly what we want into our terminal, into Claude Code to accelerate these things. So really, to sum up what we did, 3 steps: make sure you have a Figma account, go to code.cloud.com and find the list of its most popular MCP servers. Scroll down till you find Figma. Take that command line and put it in your terminal, not logged into Claude Code. It's going to install it to Claude's directory. And then when you initiate Cloud Code again, you could look at your MCPs and authenticate from there. And then you'll be able to explore all of your Figma designs. If this is helpful for you, if you're doing stuff with Cloud Code, I'd love to hear from you and share what you're doing in the comments below. Thanks.